Juicing recipes for vitamin B9. Juicing for folate, folic acid. Juicing recipes for vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is an essential supplement otherwise called folate or folic acid. Folate is just discovered naturally in food, while folic acid is a combined type of vitamin B9 and is only accessible as a supplement. Folate juicing recipes. Juicer recipe 1. 1 medium beet, 2 medium carrots, 2 bundles of spinach. Juicer recipe 2. 3 oranges, 2 cups of raw spinach, 1 small papaya. Vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is an essential nutrient that naturally occurs as folate. Folate serves many vital functions in the body. For instance, it plays a crucial role in cell growth and the formation of DNA. Having low levels of folate is associated with an increased risk of several health conditions. These include higher levels of homocysteine. High homocysteine levels have been associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Congenital disabilities. Low folate levels in pregnant women have been linked to birth abnormalities, such as neural tube defects. Cancer risk. Reduced levels of folate are also linked to increased cancer risk. For these reasons, supplementation with vitamin B9 is standard. Fortifying food with this nutrient is mandatory in countries such as us, Canada and Chile. However, the problem is that supplements and fortified foods usually contain folic acid, not folate. The takeaway here is that vitamin B9 is an essential nutrient, mainly present as folate and folic acid. It is commonly taken in supplements and is even added to processed food in North America. What is folate? Folate is the naturally occurring form of vitamin B9. Its name is derived from the Latin word, folium, which means leaf. Leafy vegetables are one of the best dietary sources of folate. Folate is a generic name for a group of related compounds with similar nutritional properties. The active form of vitamin B9 is folate, known as levometholic acid or 5-methyltetrahydrofolate, 5-MTHF. In the digestive system, the majority of dietary folate is converted into 5-MTHF before entering the bloodstream. The takeaway here is that folate is the naturally occurring form of vitamin B9. Before joining the blood, the digestive system converts it into the biologically active form of vitamin B9, 5-MTHF. What is folic acid? Folic acid is a synthetic form of vitamin B9, also known as pteroyl-monoglutamic acid. It is used in supplements and added to processed food products, such as flour and breakfast cereals. For a long time, folic acid was thought to be much better absorbed than naturally occurring folate. However, a diet containing a variety of folate-rich, whole foods is almost as effective. Unlike most folate, the majority of folic acid is not converted to the active form of vitamin B9, 5-MTHF, in the digestive system. Instead, it needs to be converted in the liver or other tissues. Yet this process is slow and inefficient. After taking a folic acid supplement, it takes time for the body to convert all of it to 5-MTHF. Even a small dose, such as 200 to 400 mcg per day, may not be completely metabolized until the next dose is taken. This problem is even worse when fortified foods are eaten along with folic acid supplements. As a result, un-metabolized folic acid is commonly detected in people's bloodstreams, even in the fasted state. This is a cause for concern since high levels of un-metabolized folic acid have been associated with several health problems. However, one study suggests that taking folic acid along with other B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6, makes the conversion more efficient. The takeaway here is that folic acid is a synthetic form of vitamin B9. The body does not convert it into active vitamin B9 very well, so un-metabolized folic acid may build up in the bloodstream. Is un-metabolized folic acid harmful? Several studies indicate that chronically elevated levels of un-metabolized folic acid may have adverse health effects. These include increased cancer risk. High levels of un-metabolized folic acid have been associated with increased cancer risk. They may also speed up the growth of precancerous lesions. Undetected B12 deficiency. Among elderly people, high folic acid levels may hide vitamin B12 deficiency. Untreated vitamin B12 deficiency may increase the risk of dementia and impair nerve function. Even a small, daily dose of 400 mcg may cause un-metabolized folic acid to build up in the bloodstream. Although high folic acid intake is a concern, the health implications are unclear, and further studies are needed. The takeaway here is that high levels of un-metabolized folic acid may negatively affect health by increasing cancer risk or hiding vitamin B12 deficiency. This buildup happens very quickly, and the full impact on health is not yet known. What is the healthiest source of vitamin B9? It is best to get vitamin B9 from whole foods. High folate foods include asparagus, avocados, Brussels sprouts, and leafy greens such as spinach and lettuce. However, for some people such as pregnant women, supplements may be an easy way to make sure you're getting enough vitamin B9. In those cases, it is best to choose supplements that do not contain folic acid. Some supplements contain 5-methyltetrahydrofolate, 5-MTHF, which is considered a healthier alternative to folic acid. Studies have shown that 5-MTHF is equal to or even better than folic acid. Supplemental 5-MTHF is bound to calcium and is usually known as methylfolate or levomethylate calcium. It is also sold under the brand names Metaflin and Deplin.